Okay, so what we got here is a standard Coke bottle, Coke can, whatever you want to call it. And so what we're doing is I took a screwdriver and stabbed it through one end and drug it down. And I took 7 black cats and put it in the side there, 3 laying out. And now I'm going to light the bottom. I'm going to set it up like this, set it upside down, and see how high it's going to go up on the ground, up off the ground.
Crikey.
Crikey, mate. Alright, here we go. Aw, hold up. Crikey, mate. Crikey.
Got some in my mouth there, mate.